We'll guide you through how to fix Facebook featured or highlight photos not showing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my Facebook profile and you want to come to yours as well. To go and do that, go to the bottom right of Facebook. If it says menu, tap there and tap your name at the top. If it says profile, just tap on it and you'll be brought here. Then what you want to do is find the option for edit public details and tap there. Now what you can do is go and scroll down like so, and you can see highlights, which is also featured. I've got some here, but they're not showing up on my profile. So to go and fix this, we need to go to the right of add to story and edit profile and press the three dots. And what we need to do is go and scroll down and find the option turn professional mode off. In order for them to appear, we need to go and turn this off. So that will be what you have to do. It may not be ideal, but what we can do is go and confirm our decision. Of course, we could always turn it back on in the future. We can then press close. And if I go and drag down and refresh, you can see the highlights and featured then go and appear on my account. It's that simple. Leave a like if you found this useful.